What's with the weird shaped ceiling?
Oh, it's triangle, it's giving support.
So weird.
Yeah, wow.
Huh?
There's your marks up by the ceiling from the street. Looks like.
Yeah, yeah.
It's because it follows the carving with the chalk.
This is all falling by a lot.
Yeah, you can see it's all collapsing. Look at that crack up there.
Yeah, I can see it. Once it goes, mate, it's going to be a massive paving up top. Was it toilet?
I've never been here in my life, I promise.
Yeah. Should find our name somewhere. That's my way in, yeah.
They don't sell those very well. Yeah, that was the other one.
Yeah, look at the ceiling again. The architect shop.
Oh yeah. Brickwork up the top there. What's that little tunnel up there?
We tried getting up that at some point. Remember?
Where does that go?
No way of getting up that.
It's weird.
Next time it's a dead end. I'm sure it went somewhere else, didn't it?
There's a way out up here.
I'm sure there's more of it.
There should be a bit leads into the archives. But we could be the other side, but I'm pretty sure.